Is he doing dumb shit?
Whoa, he went way up high. He overshot the corner.
Oh, yeah, no.
Oh, got one of those tires.
Oh my God!
That's probably a safety car.
No, Tommy Joe!
What the? No, that's such a fail. They really listed Tommy Joe Martin as a Chevy when he's a Toyota.
Oh, Tommy Joe Martin's in the wall. That's gonna be yellow.
Oh, Tommy Joe.
Yeah,
Say it ain't so.
Full course yellow. I think a brake failure may have happened.
What corner?
There's
Oh,
no way
that's the
it's a
bus
brake
stop.
failure.
Oh, that's the bus stop.
There's no way there's a brake failure.
No, that's not the bus stop.
Yeah, it is.
See, look at the replay. It's like close to the bus
Oh,
stop.
wait, that's turn 6, right? Oh, no.
Oh, you dumbass.
I'm sorry.
Hey, that's turn 6. I'm guessing.
Had to brake.
It's just the background looks like the bus stop, but never forget it.
Just rode the wall and then bang into the tires. Yes!
It should have
Camera shot. Love that close up.
It should have been
not
in the
the chicane, actually. You're right about that.
It should have been indicated.
Switch to regular.
Oh, I thought it was worse.
You're gonna be so low.
Why does this remind me of the Formula One race from 2 weeks ago?
And they would wear so much.
Oh no!
Yes, it's Brandon Jones wrecking just like
so, Brandon Jones.
Oh my
Keep your foot in.
God.
Please keep it.
Why did Joe Gibbs hire this?
He's not doing that bad this season. Surprisingly.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna.
You know why? Joe Gibbs equipment.
Ooh!
No.
Just not
Wait,
loose.
you know how we got here?
That little loop-de-doo over there, and just
You know how?
loop-de-doo.
Oh my God, they're so
good. Oh, that's in the same spot. Austin, spin, drink. Oh God.
Oh!
Why'd he back up that far? I didn't expect him to do that.
And this guy's supposed to be, supposedly.
And Cindric is spinning. As soon as I stop recording,
He
Cindric's
deserves
spinning.
that right. Thank God, yes. Great camera work. Yeah, rain's coming.
He had some help.
This kid is why you can't hire drivers based on their daddy.
You can't pay your way in.
Yeah, just like Kyle.
Oh, that's just
I'm
like
sure
Brandon
they got
Jones.
it, by the way.
Goodness.
Oh, remember,
Another bust.
oh, here comes Larson. Larson got nice. Yeah, it's just Josh Balicki. He's got a stiffy.
Oh, Gase just lost it on his own.
We're grabbing it. We get 60.
Let me ask you this: if there was no cup guys allowed, who would fill them? Explain to me that.
Or either that, or there will be less
He's
cars.
got a lot of experience, and it must be like age eligible to run it. Surprised if we get like 38. Oh no!
Oh, yep, go figure. Justin Haley in that tip. What a fucking.
Oh, we got a wreck! Oh, Matt Tift and Justin Haley.
Justin Haley, Matt Tift. That's probably from the rain. If anything.
Do they have slicks or rain tires on?
I don't know if it was raining there, but that's probably what it seems like. Someone got loose.
Where it's raining, we would see it on the camera lens.
I don't know if they have slick tires or rain tires on. I don't know.
Destroyed. So is the right front, though.
Haley's destroyed. Tift is destroyed. Whoa, yep, Haley got the worst of it.
Next one to post in the chat and it pops up on my computer. I'm hurting.
Mow
We
the
double check
grass
to
and
make
just
sure
park
you're
it.
not in the group.
Matt Tift, wait. Matt Tift is like, don't take me out, coach. I can still race. Same with Justin Haley.
It's the other chat. It's not the one you're in the car.
Oh!
Oh god, that's a lot of rain. That's a lot of
I don't
dark
know there.
clouds.
I love like your incompetence on Justin Haley's part.
I don't know if Haley lost it. I don't know if Haley lost the brakes. I don't know about Matt Tift. Matt Tift is being Matt Tift.
Got a major crash and a
major pileup. Only 2 collected.
I don't know about Haley, but I think it looks like Matt Tiff's just being Matt Tiff.
Cars torn to pieces. His day is done this afternoon at Watkins. It won't last long.
Hunter.
Oh, God.
Oh.
There goes
It's
the
the
01.
rookie.
And we got a caution.
That's probably going to be then the second stage. Vinny Miller.
Oh, Vinny Miller. Oh,
Look at the blue
boy.
against the black.
That's like, yeah, that's. Is that in
those are
turn 1?
racist tires right there.
That has to be in turn 1.
Look at that lady running through the grandstands. They're running trying to see it.
Take a picture, it'll last longer.
This is Vinny's first road course start. I talked to him earlier today. He told me he went to Phoenix to the Bond Road School.
Yeah, that's in turn 1.
They need to get a new driver for that 01.
They did not practice in the rain.
Yeah, like you.
Rain practice out in the desert.
I can't.
See how much the tire barrier is moved.
No, come on. Stupid satellite and stupid signal. It's raining from where I am and I don't want to have another signal loss. Oh, direct TV.
Again, you mentioned it earlier.
Alright.
Alrighty, boys. Time to drive some dirt lane balls.
By about 20 feet, he has moved it over
Right here. Flip it.
So running by himself right here.
I mean, he's
That's
running
gotta-
by
that's gotta
himself.
be a
and he
wheel
just-
hop
he
right
just
there.
He can't slow down. He's just going.
Yeah, that's wheel hop.
R.I.P. Junked it. Here's a better angle.
What happened?
He just sent it.
Wow, that's a. Woo!
Vinny Miller in the 01.
Only thing is, he didn't go much faster, so you can't pull it to be Johnson.
Could have been a Denny Hamlin.
Hard into the tires.
Destroyed. Race car.
Must have been a hard hit
Oh, we
inside the
might
car.
go green. 5 to go. All you have to do is just throw the car back, put the tire back.
I think that'll end the stage. I don't know.
Oh! Saved it. Nope.
Ooh, saved it.
No!
Oh, and there's the pass for the lead. Crossover. Never mind.
Oh no, Sadler!
It looked like it from that angle.
Keep going!
Alex LeBay in 5th place. Here you go.
Alright. Come on, Priest, come on.
Yep. Oh, he's gonna try his teammate. Penske down bomb. Contact. Oh.
Caution again.
11th round.
Nope.
Oh, Truex spinning.
So far, good restart.
No, just a single car. No one hit him.
3-1! Oh!
Roger Penske. Definitely.
Oh no,
looked
too
away
much is
on that
spinning!
restart. Oh, I backed out. No. There we go.
Today, 3 to go.
Wreck each other! Come on!
No, no one's doing. They're cards.
Here he goes.
Here comes Logano. He's gonna. Oh,
Last
he's got it.
Oh, he's around! Bye! Bye!
No clutches come out.
Keselowski choked. Wow.
Oh!
That's
No.
Oh, Keselowski's
I
spinning!
seriously thought he was
Damn it,
gonna
he
park
didn't take
there.
Logano.
Watch him choke tomorrow.
I seriously thought he was gonna park there.
Watch him choke tomorrow.
We're
Watch.
not gonna park there unless you get a caution.
We're not gonna get a freaking yellow because the Cup guy's fucking leading.
Yep. Yeah, mechanical issue. Hey, what both of these Penske cars mechanical issue that brought out the yellow?
On
the rain happened.
All the bigger. He was able to win state two. Now running in that 3rd position with Logano. Running so strong and what
In the white flag.
Oh
And
my
before, he's
god.
supposed to
Gallagher's
get
been back. He's racing in the cup race as well. 1 to go.
Yeah, I know that. I don't know when does he come back to Xfinity? Is he like a never?
No, he came back for 1 race, but it's just that they already had different drivers planned to race.
And Logano just won this race. Great.
Try that in the 3-lane. His black and red Ford up to the S's for the final time. All he's got to do is string together some perfect laps, and that's exactly what he's doing.
Can he mess up so Allgaier can win this race?
Allgai's not catching him.
No, nobody can catch a freaking
I'm gonna
Cup
consider
guy.
him the winner because
Allgaier is a real winner.
Logano just doesn't exist in my
It's gonna be
mind.
the 7th Penske
Oh, I'm really gonna go in.
victory in this
I'm gonna turn it
Zippo
off.
200 history.
If I don't say it didn't happen.
Do you think this is a preview of tomorrow?
Turn off before they go into
No.
the final.
The two leaders battling it out and spinning.
I don't think they're Logano and all, but this
Are
is
coming into
stupid.
turn 6.
And going. Look at
Last
Allgaier. I'd like to see the battle for second. Thank you very
A
much.
top driver with an Xfinity. His name is Logano.
Whenever you turn off the
AJ Riley's back.
Enough of
Of course, AJ wants to be a fucktard. Really,
Look!
Allgaier's day.
Another undeserving Cup guy win at Watkins Glen. Yay!
I know it was the Cup guy. Brandon Jones. Ryan Reed, top 10.
top 10.
Allgaier's the real winner.
Christopher Bell.
Justin Allgaier's the real winner.
Wow.
And Brendan Jones, I finished ahead of them.
Came to an end.
Thank God this race is over.
Out of the top 10, 4 of them was leeches.
Yay.
This ain't a new.
Another Cup guy
Like it
win.
now.
We're back to
Honda.
fucking stupid.